Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, as you guys see, we will be making rice water. Okay, this is my very first time making it, as well as my very first time using it, obviously, right? So this is one method that I'm gonna see if I like it and see if my hair actually like it. If it don't, guess what? Homegirl ain't using it no more. Okay, and ain't nothing wrong with trying. With that being said, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to the video. Okay y'all, so get you some rice. I'm using white rice. I hear it's better to use white rice, not brown rice. I don't know, I'm gonna just go with white rice. So just pour it in a bowl of your choice. I'm gonna assume this is about a cup. I don't know, I didn't measure it. I just poured it in the bowl. Then you want to just put some water in the bowl. The amount, you know, just eyeball it, make it make sense. Now you want to wash the rice very thoroughly. This is going to remove all the dirt and grime off the rice before you proceed to use it for your rice water treatment. We're going to speed it up. Now we just gonna go ahead and pour her on down the drain, because clearly we ain't using this, okay? And we just gonna put all this rice into a strainer. We just gonna scoop him out. All right, we're gonna try to get, you know, if we can't get all of it, we're gonna try to get the majority, because we ain't wasting no rice around here. We're gonna use every grain if we can for this rice water treatment. That's just what it's gonna be, okay? Now we are going to rinse the rice. Before we were washing it, now we are going to rinse her. Okay, we just gonna rinse it. You know, the washing was cool, but what we do after we wash our hair, we rinse it. So we're gonna do the same thing with the rice. Okay, now that we're done rinsing her, we just gonna pour her in this mason jar, or I should say scoop her into this mason jar. All right. Now we just gonna fill our jar up to the top. And that's just that. None less, none more. Okay, now we got our orange. We just gonna peel her and put her in the jar. The reasoning to do this is to mask the smell. It does not work, so I do not know why. Now that it's all peeled, we can put the orange to the side to snack on for later if you want to. All right, there you have the orange peels inside your mason jar. Now you can take your lid and go ahead and seal her up. All right, there you have it, your rice water treatment. Okay, so we have our rice water that's been fermenting for about 2.5 weeks. If you guys are wondering why this one looks a little different from the first one that we made, it's because this was the first time I actually made the rice water, and I had forgot to record me making this one. So what I did was I recorded the first video you guys saw. That was my second time making it, the first half of this video that you guys are watching. All right, so now let's go ahead and remove the orange peels from the jar, because clearly we don't need those. We just need the water. So let's go ahead and get it cracking. Okay, next you want to grab you a strainer and a, I don't know, what is this, measuring cup or a jar, whatever you want to do. We're going to just dump that on in here like that. All right, just some extra rice we're not using, or we're not using any of it actually. And How you know it's fermented is when you take the rice grains, you can kind of pinch it with your fingers and they kind of like break up. That means that it's done its job with the fermenting process. Okay, now that we strained the rice out, you can just go ahead and toss the excess rice to trash. I prefer compost, but that ain't none of my business. If you choose not to recycle, that's on you. So we are going to take our spray bottle and pour her on in the bottle. Okay, we got our little rice water concoction, and we're gonna just spritz her, okay? Ooh, y'all. This actually, hold on, oopsie. I probably should have had on this kind of messy. Cut, let me put on the towel. We back in action. Just kind of getting on the floor, so, and on my, like, everywhere, so I'm gonna continue spritzing. So I'm doing this before I wash my hair so I can just kind of detangle it a bit, okay? It's not the most pleasant smell. I put oranges in it to try to mask the smell, but yeah, it still smells. So we just kind of thudding it out with some smelly rice water, but it is what it is. You know, you gotta get in between there, okay? Gotta get in between, coat the scalp, coat the strands, you know. Don't just be coating the top of your head. You gotta get in between there too. Gotta get in between there. Gotta get them ends, child. We gotta get them ends. And then I'ma just twist her and put her on back. So I'm just gonna go, you know, just spritz a little bit more. Since we're all done, put that, okay. And then just do one of them. Then I'm gonna put this little clear shower cap over my head. And I'm gonna let this sit for like 20 minutes, okay? So I'm gonna get my timer. Let's see, timer here. Okay, so I'm gonna set this for 20 minutos and we're gonna hit start. Let the countdown begin. Okay, y'all, so it's been 20 minutes, so I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm not gonna show all that on camera. I'll do a wash routine in a future video. Not for this video. I just want to keep it strictly about the rice water, okay? So Okay. Let's go wash her. Okay, you guys, so this is my hair after it's all good, clean, and washed. Okay, thanks for watching. Peace.